Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Keto Beef Bulgogi. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making a keto version of beef bulgogi, and it is really simple, but so good. We're going to start with, so first of all, I've got some sirloin steak here that we froze and then cut very thinly against the grain into strips. So it's easier to cut the meat when it's a little bit frozen, especially when you want to cut it as thinly as you can. So we've already done that, and so now we're gonna make our marinade. For our marinade, we've got 1/4 cup of soy sauce or tamari, 2 tablespoons of keto-friendly brown sugar. I like to use Swerve, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. You could also use fresh ginger, but I really like to use the paste. You can find it in the produce section of most grocery stores. It's just a tube of already minced up and, ginger. It's just so easy. So that's all we need for our marinade. So now we're going to pour the marinade on top of our steak, and we're going to toss it. Make sure it's all coated. And now we're going to cover this with some plastic wrap, and we're going to let it marinate for about 2 hours. Okay, our steak has marinated nicely. So now we're going to cook it in a really hot skillet. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon or so of avocado oil. And I have a pretty big skillet, so I'm going to be able to cook this all in one time. But if your skillet is smaller, you might want to cook this in a couple of batches. And this is going to cook really fast because the steak is so thin. Just a few minutes and it's going to be done. Okay, we've got this cooked through. So now I'm going to remove it from the skillet so it doesn't overcook. And I'm going to garnish it with just a little bit of sesame seeds. You could also use green onions. And I would serve this with cauliflower rice or just regular rice if you have someone in your family that doesn't eat low carb. But let's try this out. You can really tell that this marinated for a while because the flavors are really in the steak. It has so much flavor. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and be sure you check out this recipe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.